Hi and welcome to the 6th video of Learn Google Sheets series. In this video you are going to learn about autofill and filling series. Let's get started and be productive. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then go to Apps and open Google Sheets. Select the blank template and rename your workbook. I have named it to Autofill. Now if someone says that to write 1 to 1000 in spreadsheet, will you write it? Surely not. But instead you are going to fill series. Let's learn how to do it. We will be understanding it with an example. If I write 1 in cell A1 and take my mouse pointer to this little blue square icon, then your pointer will change to plus icon. And when you drag down this icon, then Google Sheet will paste the same as written in that cell as you drag down. With filling series, you can also erase the data like this. If you want to fill series, then write first two elements of series, then select them and then click to this blue box and drag down. Let's do the same here. Write 1 in A1 and 2 in A2, then select these both and drag down from this icon. Not only this, you can also fill series with dates, months, years and many more. Let's do it for years to have better understanding. First of all, go to any cell. I will be going to cell C1, write January in C1 and February in C2. Then select both and drag down. We can fill series vertical and horizontal as well, which you can see here. Now as you can see that you can also fill series with formulas. Here you go. Now you have learned filling series, which will make you more efficient and seamless. In next video you are going to learn about sharing Google Sheets and do collaboration. If you have any doubt, then feel free to comment down below. Your answers will be given in Saturday solution series. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends who want to be productive. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you for your valuable time. Till then, be productive.